Very good morning to all. Today we are discuss about computational algorithm using modified LR's method for multi-machine transient stability analysis. Step 1. Obtain a load flow solution for the pre-transient condition. Step 2. Calculate the generator internal voltages behind transient reactance using the following equations. Then EB suffix angle of P, that is equal to EP plus QP into XD divided by VP naught plus J PP into XD divided by VP. The first one is the real power, then another one is the reactive power. Then dou P naught is equal to dou P into beta B, where beta B is the initial pre-transient voltage angle. Then step 3, assume the occurrence of the fault initialized time count k is equal to 0. Calculate the reduced bus admittance matrix Y bus for this condition and set the count j is equal to 0. Determine the following state derivatives using following equation. D squared dou P divided by dou T squared is equal to Pm minus Peb divided by Mp, where Peb is equal to P max sin dou P, where Pep is equal to epsilon Q is equal to 1 power n Ep into Eq y Pq cos gamma Pq plus gamma P minus gamma Q. Then gamma power 1 is equal to omega 1 minus 2 pi f. Omega means is the angular of velocity. Then now calculate first estimate. Then dou P power k plus 1 is equal to dou P power k plus d dou gamma P divided by dt, that is into delta t. Then omega P power k plus 1 is equal to omega P power k into d omega P divided by dt into del t. Step 5. Second estimate of the variables can be obtained. Derivatives t is equal to t plus del t are obtained. For this we must have new values E dash s at t is equal to t plus del t, so that the generated powers can be calculated. Ep power k plus 1 is equal to Ep k power cos omega k plus 1 P plus j, then Epk plus sin gamma k plus 1, and these use values in the equation 1 and 2. Obtain state derivatives. Then step 6, determine the average value of the state derivative and obtain the second estimate of the variable and second estimate of the internal voltages and the machine's angular speeds using the following equations. Then gamma p k plus 1 is equal to gamma p power k plus d gamma p power k divided by dt plus d gamma power k plus 1 divided by p, that is dt is whole divided by 2 into del t. Then omega p k power plus 1, that is equal to omega power k power p plus then d omega p k power k divided by dt plus d omega k power plus 1 divided by p, then whole divided by 2 into del t. Step 7. Compute the final internal voltages of the generator at the end of time interval t plus del t using the following equation. E p power k plus 1, that is equal to E p power k cos gamma power k plus 1 p plus j E p power k sin gamma power k plus 1 into p, and we print the result. Step 8. Check whether t less than is equal to Tc, time corresponding to the critical clearing angle. If yes, advance the time count t is equal to t plus del t, and then go to step 4. Then step 9, check whether j is equal to 0. If yes, admittance is a changes according to the post fault condition and obtain new reduces y bus. Then step 10, set k is equal to k plus 1, then t is equal to t plus del t. Then step 11, if t less than t max, then go to step 4. Step 12, terminate the process of computation. Then next, state variable approach to multi-machine stability analysis. The string equation of the jth generator is given by d squared gamma j divided by dt squared is equal to ps minus pj divided by mj. D squared gamma j divided by dt squared is equal to 1 by mj into ps minus epsilon k power n ej ek y jk cos j theta jk plus gamma j minus gamma k. The state variables are x is equal to x1 x2, that is equal to gamma into gamma dash. Then therefore the x dash equal to x1 is equal to x2 is equal to d gamma divided by dt is equal to omega is equal to 2 pi f. X power double dash equal to d square gamma divided by dt square is equal to 1 by m ps minus pj, that is omega dash. The state vector x is equal to then omega 1, omega 2, omega 3 up to omega n, then gamma 1, gamma 2, gamma 3 up to gamma n, where n is the number of generator. Therefore, the x dash is equal to f1 gamma comma omega, then x2 f2 is equal to gamma comma omega. The string equations are solved by the first one is the Runge-Kutta method, fourth order method. Then second one is the modified LR's method. The next Runge-Kutta method for the solution of string equation of multi-machine stability analysis. Step 1, obtain a load flow solution for the pre-transient condition. Second one is the step 2, calculate the generated transient voltages behind the transients reactance using equations 1 and 2, and Ej angle gamma j, that is equal to Vj plus Qj, then Xji Vj plus Pj into Xd divided by Vj. Then though gamma j is equal to gamma j plus Bj, where Bj is a pre-transient angle, omega is equal to 0 under the pre-transient conditions. Then step 3, assume the occurrence of fault, calculate the reduced bus admittance matrix for this condition and initialize the time count k is equal to 0 and also initialize the m is equal to 0. Check whether the fault has occurred or not. Step 4, determine the constants using the following equation: k1 power k is equal to f1 gamma k power k omega k into del t. Then E k is equal to f2 then gamma k power omega k power into t. Then k2 power k is equal to f1 gamma k plus 1 by 2 k1 power k omega power k plus 1 by 2 L power comma k into del t. Then L to k is equal to f2, then gamma k plus 1 by 2 k power k omega k is plus 1 by 2 omega k then del t. Then k2 power k is equal to f1 gamma k plus 1 by 2 k2 into k omega k plus 1 by 2 L k power into del t. Then L3 is equal to f3 del gamma k plus 1 by 2 k2 k plus 1 by 2 k power k into del t. Then k power 4 is equal to f1 gamma k plus k3 k omega k plus L power k 3 into del t. L4 k power that is equal to F2 gamma k plus k power 3 is equal to omega k plus L k power 3 into del T. Then step 5, compute the change in state vector variables. Then del gamma k is equal to 1 by 6 k power k plus 1 plus 2k power k 2 plus 2k power k 3 plus k power k power 4. Then del omega power k is equal to 1 by 6 L1 k plus 2L k 2 plus 2L k plus 2L k power 4. Step 6, update the new state vector under the print new state vector variables. Gamma k power plus 1 is equal to gamma k plus del gamma k. Then omega k plus 1 is equal to omega k plus del omega k. Step 7, evaluate the internal voltage behind transient reactance using relation e power k plus 1 j is equal to e power k j cos gamma power k plus 1 j plus j e power k plus 1 j sin gamma k plus 1 j. Step 8, check whether T less than Tc if k is equal to k1 plus, and then go to step 4, otherwise go to next step. Step 9, check whether m is equal to 0 if yes, modify the network data and obtain new reduced bus admittance matrix corresponding to post fault condition, and then set m is equal to m plus 1. Then step 10, then k is equal to k plus 1. Step 11, check whether k less than k max. If yes, go to step 4. Otherwise, to go to next step. Then step 12, terminate the process of computation. Thank you.